Hi, my name is Michelle, and today I'm here to try out the skin booster treatment. 2 years ago, I was taking Accutane, and I took around like 1 year, and it left my skin very dry, but also killed my acne. And I did some research about skin booster treatment, and I found out this clinic located in Damansara, and I wanted to give it a try because I saw a lot of positive reviews, and yeah, I'm going to try it out and see what the results gonna give me. So now I just finished my treatment and the pain was bearable. It was 7 out of 10, the pain. And yeah, the results, I can get it within 3 to 7 days, and the results going to last to 1 to 6 months. And now I'm going back to let my skin to rest. Okay, bye bye.